how to automatically edit your videos using AI. It's super simple and I will show you exactly the process today. Today we will cover AutoCut, which is a tool that you can use with DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro to automatically edit your videos. And you can try it out for free without no credit card required. You can download it from the website right now and use it along with this tutorial. And if you go into pricing, for like $6.6 per month, you can get AutoCut silences and automatic J cuts and L cuts. But if you have more money to spend, you can get like this extra premium subscription with auto captions, AutoCut podcast that can automatically edit your podcasts, Zooms, and a lot of other amazing things. So let's give it a check. First of all, you want to download the extension, install it on your computer. This is like super simple. They also got quite a lot of resources that you can, use to learn AutoCut in more depth than this tutorial. This is just an introduction for you guys, because I actually used this tool yesterday and it was absolutely amazing. So after you install it, you will go into Premiere Pro, click the window button, extensions, and click AutoCut. So this is the window that will pop up for you. You can use here the sticky button to have it stick up, and you actually want to place your video on the timeline with your audio. So I'm going to select that, mark selection, in out points, captured. This is just a 30-second clip to just show you a preview of exactly what you can expect from it. And here you can actually see your adventures. So this is a free trial and you can use all of these tools to get an extension of 9 days. So that's also very nice. There is a free trial for 14 days, 2 weeks. You can get it up to 24 days. So that's awesome. And you will have to try all of their tools, which I find super interesting. So the first thing that I want to do is AutoCut silences. This is like my first step. You can select the entire timeline or just in to out points. That's what I usually select. And I want to validate sections. Here are pacing presets. I want to go for energetic because that actually tells the AI how to do the cuts. So my video is actually energetic, so I wanted to do aggressive cutting for silences. And here you can actually specify it by hand, but you can just use some of these presets. The more you go to the right side, like jumpy or energetic, the more aggressive the cuts become. So I'm going for jumpy actually see what you can do. You can keep the silences, mute them or remove them, but keep the spaces. I want to remove the silences and I want no transitions. I usually just never use transitions. And let's cut the silences. So the software starts working. The first thing is to just get the audio, and here we can see that it already cut my video from 30 seconds to like 22 seconds. And all of the silences are actually aggressively removed, which is something that I really like. Let's remove just this small part at the end. And the next thing that you want to do is, I don't know, what can we add? Let's go ahead and add some captions. All right, so I'm going to add captions, click entire timeline, validate segments. Here are the languages that this tool supports. And here you can see quite a lot of languages. This is incredible. So literally they can capture whatever language you want. And let's open up this editor. It starts generating the transcript. So it's going to get our audio. It's going to create a transcript, which we will turn into subtitles at the next step. This is literally the first time that I'm trying this out. So you can select specific presets like Mr. Beast, Alex Harmozy. So I'm going to go with Mr. Beast because this video is actually gaming. And here you can like edit the transcript. So click edit transcript. You can play Roblox. This is one of the scariest maps you can try out. It is called TTD3. All right, so this shows you also the low confidence words black and a clone. So exactly at this point you can do an edit. So this is not a clone, this is a clown. So I changed that, I fixed like this small transcript. You can also disable the playback sound. And here you can also add static emojis. You can also have dynamic emojis if you want more interactivity. And let's try these things out. I don't know, for some people they may work, for other may not work. So click the save button and I'm going to click add captions. You can see that it's literally just clicking and doing the basic things. And like guys, for $14 a month, this is a saver. You don't really need quite a lot more things than that. In all honesty, like, I just want to be completely transparent with you. Just having this thing over here is more than enough. Okay, it's more than enough. So let's check out the result. If you play Roblox, this is one of the scariest maps you can try out. It is called TTD3, and you will find and when you enter the map, you will find the scary town. However, if you type it, okay, so here we can see that for some reason the subtitles are not correctly done. There is like cat. This is probably one of my mistakes because I have not specified the exact place that I want them placed. Let's do it again. Select the language, and you can also load the previous transcript. So let's load the previous transcript. I want to change the position, so I'm going to reduce the font size, probably one line, reduce the maximum width so it's more like a short style of captions, add style, and I'm going to add captions. I'm doing it again. You can see how easily you can fix it with a single click of a button. And you know, for an editor to do these things that we do right now, it would probably cost so much more. So here you can see also the captions file. If you play Roblox, this is one of the scariest maps you can try out. It is called TTD3, and you will find and when you enter the map, you will find this. Okay, so we can see that it works. It looks quite good. Let's go ahead and also try again another preset. So I'm going to go and do that. You can change the style, so you can change like the font. So maybe we can change it for Captain. Okay, so I don't have that. Global is one I like pretty much. Here you can change the animations. So I'm going to go for a red color. That looks nice. Text format, you can remove punctuation. You can go for uppercase, italicized, or straight glow. So let's add some glow. I like that. So you can see so many customizations that you can do. You can also create like a preset, but I'm not going to create a preset. And I don't know, what else can we change? There are also community presets that you can use. So that's also very nice. Grobled. This is like the animation, transitions. We've pretty much done most of the things that we can do. Okay, so position and size. Again, this looks good. What else can we change? All right, transcript. Let's add the captions once again. Single click of a button, like so simple to edit a good quality video with subtitles, AutoCuts, etc. So I find this very good. The built-in feature for transcription on Premiere Pro is not bad, but in general, it doesn't bring you these customizations that you can get out of this tool. So if you play Roblox, this is one of the scariest maps you can try out. It is called TTD3, and you will find and when you enter the we can do auto chapter also, which is also very useful in general. If you can find chapters of your video, that would be absolutely great. You can pass this later on YouTube on your description, and that would work amazingly. Okay, so it's transcribing the audio using AI, tries to understand the different chapters and segments. So introduction to the game, gameplay mechanics, export chapters for YouTube, and you can export them in a TXT file. So, all right, and it adds it also to the editor. And one of the things that you have to know is that if you provide an editor with these kind of chapters, they can really improve their video editing. So even if you use a professional editor, you can like provide him with so many things and many tools, and you can cut like your costs like 60-70%, because if they have the video clips already trimmed out, they just have to add some effects on top of these. All right, so let's check the auto resize, and we want to go for TikTok Shorts and Reels. So let's resize the sequence for that. Let's see if that works. All right, so it reframes it, and here is our video. So here it auto tracks my face. All right, looks good, looks good. Double click, you can like open this up and do whatever fixes you want at this point. You probably have some kind of effect here, and yeah, I think it looks nice. Again, you have to generate the subtitles after that, because if you do it before that, it will cut them out if you have not selected the correct settings. So that looks good. That looks really good. Can we add also B-roll? Oh, let's go for auto zoom. Let's go for auto zoom. Entire timeline. We're checking all of the tools. So we want, I don't know, paste. We want paste, smooth, dynamic, smooth zooms, smooth duration. You can like select all of these things. We're going to go for hyper energetic. Again, this is just a sample clip to try out all of these customizabilities, but you can see like for a 20-second segment, this goes insanely fast. Like it's insane how fast. If you play Roblox, this is one of the scariest maps you can try out. It is called TTD3, and you will find and when you enter the map, you will find the scary town. However, if you type in the chat question mark, okay, so yeah, it works. It does the auto zooms. It looks nice, completely edited out using AI, and you know, it's super fast, saves you so much time. Again, you could like create a video, cut all of the segments, add subtitles in just 2 clicks of a button. I think that looks very nice. It's also very fast. So yeah, this is going to be my go-to tool for automatically creating and editing this kind of videos.